Good morning, it's Kevin with LumpiaLife. We are about to start a new project. We got the water tower done. There used to be a roof here, and now there's not. So what we're going to do is we're going to build an outdoor kitchen here with a barbecue, and then put a new roof with a seam instead of the nipa. So today is day one. They're going to start. We got the material. We got some hollow block, 14 pesos a piece. We got 150. And then we got some lumber. They call it sticks, but lumber. Some rebar. And we got bamboo. So let's watch these guys work. Get this dirty kitchen built. And we'll see it when it's done. Alright guys. Still on day one, half day. This is going to be the grill here. This is a level hose that they use. After day one, this is what we accomplished yesterday. So they're moving right along. Again, right here is going to be the grill. We'll have a countertop here, so we can do some cooking outside. But I have to say that they are moving rather quickly, which is very nice for us. Get her done.
Get her done.
We'll see what day two brings. Let's get going. Alright guys, today is day 4. Day 3 they just did a half day because they wanted this cement here to harden, cure overnight. So they just did a half day yesterday. We got this column built. I think we're going to be putting on the roof today. We're going to be using the seam, the corrugated metal roof. And then they're going to be smoothing this out. These holes are for the gasol or the propane, so we can have a cooktop here. All right, roof is going on. Gonna cut the backside because we don't want anybody cutting their head off. Umbrella nail, umbrella. Like any project here in the Philippines, always buy more. We are lacking 2 pieces of scene, corrugated metal roof. This one is short, it's 10 feet, and I was, when I measured, I was thinking we were going to use that piece. But always buy more than you think what you need. But coming along, this is a half day of day 4, or day 3.5. Yesterday was a half day. We actually had to borrow some rebar from a neighbor, so we have to buy 2 more rebar as well. Not enough, once again. All the kahoy, the wood sticks, what they call them, pretty much used up. We used the old 4x4s here from our old roof. They were right here. So we just cut those in half, so not needed. But coming along, but a little delay due to the 2 extra pieces we need. But no worries. Okay, let's take a look. We are on day 5. Day 4.5. I don't know. We started Monday, it's Friday. They took a half day one day. But as you can see, we're smoothing this out. It's going to be like a glossy smooth, not a rough smooth like the seawall there. So it'll be easier to clean. We got the seam in the roof up. This outdoor kitchen, simple outdoor kitchen, is evolving like the balay, like the house evolved. So now we have hired an electrician because we need light here. We're gonna put a light here and a couple lights here, and then a spot for a ceiling fan, a couple of outlets. Whoops, we forgot the box. Gonna have to talk to them about that. That sucks. Because things change all the time as we go along building, you know, they might forget some things. So anyway, this is where we are right now, and we'll come back later. Alright guys, we are about 95% done with our kitchen. Just got some little design deals we want to do, some outdoor design, not interior design, but outdoor design. Just, you know, spruce it up a little bit. But yeah, let me turn you around, show you what's going on. So I hired 2 guys. It took them 9 days to complete this. Not too shabby. This is our barbecue. Now we had this barbecue inside, and I will show you a clip right here of it being inside. This was the barbecue. Okay, our last video, I stopped right here before this was put in. This is the barbecue. Have yet to use it. Let me put these here real quick so you can see what it looks like. But we'll use it when we get back. It might get really hot in here, so thinking about having one built for the outside. Where it was. Never have used this before, so it'll be awesome to fire this up. Put 3 holes for a gas line, depending on where we want to put our cooktop. It's going to be a lot cooler cooking out here. We ended up going with tile. This is actually floor tile, but this is basically the same tile that we used inside, but just, you know, it's not the pattern that we have inside. Hired an electrician, put an outlet out here so we can, you know, maybe put a rice cooker or griddle or whatever we want to use. Had some lights installed. This is our 30 amp connected into the original power. A couple of switches, one for the light, one for the fan. I got this fan at Unitop, guys. They usually come in pastel colors like baby blue and white. But I've done a few of these fans. You just sand them down, spray paint it, and customize it your color. And I really like the black. And that is a pro tip for you. Save some money on, you know, regular ceiling fans are about you know, they start around $100. So $10 versus $100. Not too shabby. So we still got to revarnish this table. Lost its shine. But yeah, a little more touches we're going to do, but basically keep it kind of simple out here. It started as a simple design, and actually let me show you the drawing. This was the design that was drawn out. I think it's pretty close. Huh. But anyway. This is it. This is the outdoor kitchen. Again, it took about 9 days to build, 2 guys, and they did a great job. I wanted a simple job, but it evolved as we kept building. You know, we weren't gonna put the tile on there, but we ended up putting tile. But anyway, hope you liked the video and what you can do here in the Philippines, and appreciate everybody watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. We got a big trip coming up. Big trip. Oh man, can't wait. It was our original plan when we were here in the Philippines to travel Southeast Asia. So that's a hint for you. But see you in the next one. Bye for now.